Okay, ഇനി വുഡിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഉള്ള നമുക്ക് മോഡ് ഓഫ് ആക്ഷൻ നോക്കാം. ഒന്ന് റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. വുഡ്, റിക്വസ്റ്റ്, പെർമിഷൻ, അൺറിയൽ കണ്ടീഷൻ, ഹാബിച്വൽ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഇൻ ദ പാസ്റ്റ്. ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മളെ പ്രകടിപ്പിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നതാണ്. പൊളൈറ്റ് റിക്വസ്റ്റ്, വിനീതമായ അഭ്യർത്ഥന. പെർമിഷൻ, അനുമതി. അൺറിയൽ കണ്ടീഷൻ, യാഥാർത്ഥ്യമല്ലാത്ത അവസ്ഥ. ഹാബിച്വൽ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഇൻ ദ പാസ്റ്റ്, മുൻകാലങ്ങളിലെ പതിവ് പ്രവർത്തനം. ഇതെല്ലാം കാണിക്കാൻ നമ്മളെ സഹായിക്കുന്നത് വുഡ് എന്ന മോഡലാണ്. വിൽ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് പ്രകടിപ്പിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നത്? സിമ്പിൾ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ, ഭാവി. ഡിറ്റർമിനേഷൻ, നിശ്ചയം. റിക്വസ്റ്റ്, അഭ്യർത്ഥന. പ്രോമിസ്, വാഗ്ദാനം. What is should used for? It is used for strong recommendations, ശുപാർശകൾ. Obligations, ബാധ്യത. Advice, ഉപദേശം. Expectation, പ്രതീക്ഷ. Logical necessity, യുക്തിപരമായ ആവശ്യകത. Deduction, അനുമാനം. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. Choose the correct alternative. We don't think we be able to go.
Can.
We don't think we
Shall
be able to go. What about the next one? We
will not pay.
Will not.
She will not pay unless she is compelled. Okay. The third one.
You ought to
be polite.
You ought to be polite. Okay. I wish you
would tell me.
You would tell me. Your expectation ആണ്. Okay. അടുത്തത്.
Shall I assist you?
Shall I assist you? Shall I assist you? All right. So we don't think we shall be able to go. You will not pay unless she is compelled. You should be polite. I wish you would tell me earlier. Shall I assist you? Okay, that's correct. ഇനി അടുത്തത് shall, should, would. You please help me with this. You ought, should, must pay your taxes. She said I can, might, should use her telephone at any time. If you shall, should, would see her, give her my regards. And she need, dare, would not ask for a reason for fear of losing her job. So you can start telling the answers.
Would you please help me with
Would
this?
you please? Would you please?
A polite request. Okay. Would you please help me with this?
You
Okay,
ought
next.
to pay your taxes.
You ought to pay your taxes.
Yes, that's correct. You ought to pay your taxes. Next.
Can.
Can.
Can use her telephone.
She can use her telephone at any time. She said I can. Okay, is that correct? She said I can use her telephone. I might. Why do you think it's I might? It's it's only when it's needed. Okay, I might use her telephone at any time. So it's might, that is more correct. Next one. If you would see her, give her my regards. Okay, that's correct. Last one.
Dare not ask for a rise.
Yeah, she dare not. She doesn't. She shouldn't have the courage to ask for a rise for the fear of losing her job. So let's check the answer. Would you please help me with this? You ought to pay your taxes. She said I might use her telephone at any time. If you should see her, give her my regards. You dare not ask for a rise for fear of losing her. She dare not ask for a rise for fear of losing her job. So that's done. Now let's move further. What is the correct answer for the first one? I needn't to see, needn't have seen, didn't need to see him, so I sent a letter.
Needn't have seen him.
Needn't have seen him.
I needn't have seen him, so I sent a letter. Can you just check the options once more?
Needn't to see.
Needn't to see. Needing to see.
Didn't need to see.
Didn't need to see is more correct. I didn't need to see him, so I sent a letter. So let me welcome all my friends once more. Pranita, Krishnendu, Fausia, Albin, student, Angelina, Devika, Shreya, Alan, Ziza, Rahul, Alan, Mika. I welcome you all to this session. Okay, so I needn't have seen him, so I sent a letter is not so correct. I didn't need to see him, so I sent a letter is more correct because the tense also, and also the reason is being expressed here. Okay, so I didn't need to see him, so I sent a letter. What about the next one? Shall, might, could.
Could you
Could
Could
you
you?
show
could
me
you
the
show
way?
me the way to the station?
Could you show me the way to the station? Is a polite request. Okay, next. To save my life, I ran fast and
was able
Was
to
able
Was
to.
able to read safely.
was able to reach safely. Okay, was able to is correct. It's a semi-modal. I
Used to
be
an atheist, but now I believe in God. So this is a past habit that is being said. I used to be an atheist, but now I believe in God. You
mustn't.
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 Yes, you mustn't light a match. The room is full of gas. This is a strong recommendation. You needn't Sharyavilla. You won't Sharyavilla. You mustn't. It's very important that you should not light a match. Okay. 16. The Prime Minister
Would.
To
would is correct. Is it so? The Prime Minister would make a statement tomorrow. Need
Is
make
to-
a statement tomorrow. Is to make a statement tomorrow.
is to make a statement tomorrow.
Is to make a statement tomorrow. So is to is the correct answer here. Okay. Would make a statement tomorrow. You are predicting something, but instead of that, is to is more correct.